In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do group scheduling in Calendly. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their group meetings and make scheduling a breeze. Calendly is a powerful tool that allows you to coordinate with multiple people without the usual back and forth emails. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Calendly's website. Once there, sign in to your account. If you haven't got an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes. With your account open and ready, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, look for a button labeled New Event Type and give it a click. This will bring up options for creating different types of events. Since we're focusing on group scheduling today, select Group from the list of options and then click on Next to advance to the next steps. Now that you've selected the group event type, you'll need to set the basic event details. Think about the purpose of your meeting and give it a title that everyone involved will immediately recognize. You might also include a brief description to offer some context or additional information about the meeting. Once you're satisfied with these details, you can move on to configuring the date, time, and availability. Choose a date and time that works well for both you and the attendees. Calendly offers a flexible way to present availability slots, ensuring you maximize attendance. It's a good idea to keep different time zones in mind if you are coordinating an international group, as Calendly has features that help simplify this process. Additionally, you might want to experiment with setting recurring events if this is something you'll be doing regularly. Next, you need to determine how many people can attend this event. So, set the maximum number of attendees. This step is crucial for ensuring you maintain quality interaction during the meeting, especially if you're dealing with large groups where you want to cap attendance. With your attendee limit established, it's now time to engage your participants even further by adding questions for your invitees. This feature allows you to gather essential information from your participants ahead of the event, whether it's their thoughts, topics they'd like covered, or other preferences, all of which can be customized to fit your needs. Once all these details are set, you're ready for the final step, which is sharing your event. Find the Share Your Link option to copy the event page URL. You can then distribute this link to your invitees via email, social media, or any other platform you prefer. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a group appointment in Calendly. By following these steps, you can make scheduling hassle-free and focus on what really matters, having great meetings. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your upcoming group bookings.